This is a commercial split system heat pump at a restaurant. Don't know what brand it is. It is about 23 degrees. Oh, it's an ICP. It's an International Comfort Products. And then there is a 95 Janitrol heat pump, and it just shut off. 95 Janitrol heat pump. I made a video of this almost 2 years ago, and I actually thought it was a straight cool unit. It was like 90 degrees when I videotaped it running before, and of course it was running in cooling mode. But yeah, I just found out tonight that this is a heat pump. The data sheet says it's a heat pump. Don't know how many nominal tons it is. It's too dark to read it. But yeah, it's a 95 Janitrol, probably 5 nominal tons. Big as this place is. So it is almost 16 years old. Alright, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Out. It is 18 degrees right now. Lots of snow. Oh, what the hell? Let's listen to the Motley Crue version. I have both versions of Smoking in the Boys' Room on my iPod. The other one was Brownsville Station. Speaking of smoking, I think someone just tossed a cigarette out the window. McDonald's. Which version of Smoking in the Boys' Room I like better. Do you think you like better?
I didn't really care.
I think I'm killing someone now, one of the guys, the back guy.
What? Grand Theft Auto?
Yeah.
My other friend is in the back seat playing Grand Theft Auto. Which one is it? Mike. Which GTA are you playing?
Liberty City Story?
On his PSP. Let's see it, Mike. Show the Liberty City Stories. What kind of weapon do you have? An axe?
Yeah. I'm using to kill a guy.
Oh, is that where you had to kill the
That guy?
Giovanni Casa?
Yeah.
The guy who was, oh, that weird Italian guy who like had a fetish for wearing diapers?
Yeah.
Remember that?
Yeah, I saw that.
Oh my god. That was hilarious.
But he keeps running so fast.
So you're still trying to kill him?
Yeah.
I hated that mission. Yeah, the guy's name in that mission was Giovanni Casa.
Get close to him by sneaking up behind him.
Oh, damn. 16. Perfect timing.
Over here?
Yes.
Yeah, I'll give you. Hold still, then we'll give you what you want.
Did you get the
A-hole? No.
Alright.
It's good to let
Oh
the
my
old.
god, come on.
It's good to let the old midsection show.
What's that from?
If I had a
Shameless.
freaking gun,
Oh.
I'd win. Alright.
The tree guy from Family Guy?
Yeah.
Christ.
When they were in
I killed someone
The
with
drunken
a freaking
oyster or whatever?
no, when they were in the sauna, and you showed his. You see his body as a trunk.
Okay. Over and out. Or out.